Hi there and welcome back. You know that sharepredictions.com or Share Predictions as a platform is sharing algorithmic predictions for common stocks from American stock markets. But at the same time, our platform is also sharing predictions for options markets as well from the American markets. So if you come to the website sharepredictions.com, then you see, you find a bunch of information here, and one of the sections is actually about options. If you just scroll down on the main page, just after the hero section, you find the list of our mobile applications, and one of them is actually just designed for options traders in mind. The app itself is available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If you want, you can just click on Learn More and learn more about the mobile application itself. It provides basically daily predictions, daily updated predictions for options from the markets. The app follows the prices of the options or option premiums. In real time during the market open hours, you can find a comprehensive analysis tool. So if you find an option and if you want to analyze the underlying asset of that, it's also possible with lots of technical analysis charts and financial data and latest news of different stocks and so on. And you also get the real-time notifications when the options that are in the frame of our predictions hit their stop loss or sell target values. So if you want to find the mobile app itself, as mentioned, it is available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And if I just click on the App Store one, so you just come to the page itself. So the brand name of the application is OpPreds, stands for option predictions, basically. So you find daily updated predictions for different options. So it is not giving or listing the all the options that are available in the markets, at least in its current version. So it may be possible in later release. But what it's listing here is the ones with high enough volatility and high trading volume, so that traders can find them interesting for analysis purposes. There's also a simulation of trading portfolio that is handled algorithmically within the app. You can follow how things are changing. There are real-time insights, and you can analyze underlying assets as mentioned. You can find the option contract details and so on. So if I just come back, so some people so you have these predictions within the mobile app, no problem about it. But some people asked about having access to these predictions on the website as well, and they are integrated to our website too. So you can find them at our website after you create an account. So I am already logged in. So if I just come here, you see the options. If I just show my screen, so you see the menu item here, the options. And you can either go to the options chain and search for options for any company, let's say, for example, AAPL and, Apple Inc. I find that if I just click on the search, then it lists the top 10 call options and put options based on their trading volume. And these options tend to be the ones, that have a fairly close deadline, so to say, or expiration date. But on the other hand, you can find these options, in the option chains page. But apart from that, we have also our shortlisted options, where our algorithms at least are having higher expectations in terms of premium increase in the short term. So to be able to see that list, instead of coming to options chain, you pick the options predictions part, where you can see the portfolio performance, which is openly shared. This is basically 5,000%, but it is the cumulative profit of latest 2,000 predictions, so it is a large number. So this is the performance chart, and down below you see some stats of what numbers mean basically. And if you come to the active session here, you see the list of active predictions that we have in our active list, those are the ones that our algorithms are following in the background. Those options have certain buy targets and sell targets and so on. And by the way, and stop loss values. And the stop loss value, by the way, as long as the option itself remains in this list, the stop loss value is updated roughly 2 hours before markets open. So based on a trailing stop loss logic. So based on how the premium changes day by day, so the algorithms are adapting the stop loss value as well. So it happens only once every market day before markets open. So, and also the close section here where you can find the list of all the predictions that we had. So, here you can find a large number of prediction results. If you want, you can basically download the predictions by clicking on the CSV button here. And the same thing applies even for the active list of predictions. You can download them. One question that we've been getting from different people, if we could provide the predictions with an API as well. And yes, it is available right now. So if you come to the docs section, if you want to understand how you should be using the API to be able to read these predictions with an API, if you are writing your code or so, which is fairly easy nowadays, if you are basically using AI tools or so, even if you don't have the technical background to be able to write the code. Here there's a video tutorial if you want to understand how you can use the API, just as an introduction. And on the left hand side here you see our endpoints. There are different endpoints for market parameters, or if you want to get the detailed predictions for different common stocks and so on. But the option predictions are available as well. So in the endpoint section here, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th item here, the options active, that's the one that is giving the list of option contracts that we have in our active list that our algorithms are following in real time. So basically there are code examples here, one from Python, another from JavaScript. And by reading the information here, you can get an idea about what you should expect in the received data. And there is some example data here as well. And further down, if that one is for the active options list. What about the concluded ones? If predictions are concluded, and this can only happen during market open hours, and that's when the algorithms are following these active lists or the options that are in the active list. So if any of them hit their stop loss value or second sell target, so to say, such options are moved from the active list to the concluded list, and you can get the list of concluded option contracts from this API endpoint as well. And again, there are code examples, and you can see an example return. So if you just play around with the API endpoints, it should be fairly easy for you to get going with these endpoints too. So to summarize, the option predictions are available through our mobile app, which is available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If you want to see the predictions at our website, which is also possible, you can just create your account at sharepredictions.com and you can see the results or predictions there. If you want to use the API, having an account at the website is enough for this, so you can use the API endpoint. But if you have an account in the mobile app, so you won't be able to use the API. You need to have an account at the website to be able to use the API itself. That's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you next time.